Well, we've made some progress on this thing, the help of Andrew Calkins coming in, and we made some upgrades to the cage. It now has a full diagonal permanent crossbar, now has a rocker bar and permanent door bar. We kind of did this angle, you can see here, this angle here. Really is just to fit the angle of my foot. As you step in and out of the car, your heel's down and your toes are up to get out, in and out. So that's gonna work out pretty well. So what we're working on right now is making some closeout panels for the rear that are gonna get carpeted. So we're using cardboard aided design here to prototype the stuff. So I haven't been taking any videos, so I've just been busy, and all right, we got some paint on this bad boy. Looks pretty good. I sound funny because I have a respirator mask on, but now it just takes time. We're gonna carpet the panels and put the interior back together. All right, well, it's a Sunday and work continues, and I'm gonna show you the progress we did. I got the cage painted. We need to touch it up. I'll show you in a second here. Got the carpet and the sill plates in. Looks pretty good. Let me show you something. The kit we used, and we're not like endorsed by them or anything like that. We are a dealer for OER, but we use the OER kit, and I've installed a lot of carpet kits, and the way sometimes they fold them in half, and then they roll them, so there's a big messed up deal. These were actually long enough that when they rolled them up, because they're two sections, they fit in the box, so they were just rolled. And I'm gonna tell you, this carpet kit was formed well, and so far it's laid down really well. There's some sagginess here, and when we bolt the seats down, it'll tighten things up in the seat belts and all the stuff a little bit. But I'm really happy with the kit. I've had kits before where the ends were all ruffled up when they molded it, and then they didn't give you enough overlap, really, so it was really tight. And if you got it off center any, you screwed yourself on one side. But this one, I probably cut, 2 or 3 inches off of the entire edge, so that was pretty cool. But it's laid down nice, and then we'll show you more with our panels and stuff, how they all tie in. But everything's tied into the kick panels. I haven't put the pad up under the pedals yet, but everything looks really good with the cage. And the sill plates, if it was any tighter, they wouldn't fit. It's actually perfect. It's really nice. So next step is we're gonna finish up the panels that we made back here. We got to get this carpet, some of this loop carpet. And our local upholstery shop, not upholstery shop, but supply kind of place, usually stocks this kind of stuff. They didn't have any, so I need to figure out how to get this stuff on hand. If I had it, I could literally get this stuff done today. Just glue it onto all of our panels down here. So anyways, we'll see what we can do with the carpet and give you an update. All right, so through magic, I'm gonna walk you through, got the interior all together, and let's go take a look. Ta-da, got seats in. One of the tricks I wanna tell you guys about, I was gonna show you, but a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take a soldering iron, and instead of cutting holes in the carpet for the seat bolts and different things, seat belts as well, I use a soldering iron, or a lot of times I'll take a Phillips screwdriver and my propane torch, heat it up, poke it right through, and then just sort of melt it away. This loop carpet's crazy. If you one wrong move, and you can take a whole strand of it and just kill it. So anyways, one thing I'm waiting on is the boot from the upholstery guy. Belts are in. Got them wrapped around the harness, as you can see. Let's pull this thing up. Here's the back. So actually the package tray is still the original one I've had in this car for, God, 20, 30 years, who knows. But as you can see, got the loop carpet here. This panel actually will come off so I can access the 3-link. So it looks just nice and clean. Everything's kind of cool, kind of nice. Like I said, the carpet laid down really nice. I have some padding that's, again, at the upholstery shop that goes across here. Has some Velcro covers over it. Overall, looks really good. I don't know if you can see it, but there's lights in the footwells, which is super cool. So, anyways, that sort of concludes the video on getting the interior. I'm really happy with how the inside of the car looks. You guys saw pictures of the gauges, and I'll post a picture up in just a second. Really happy with it. So the next video, we get the car on the scales and see how much weight plus or minus we did with the rebuild on the car. Hopefully it's a weight loss. So, and then pretty soon, you know, we would drive the thing and start working all the bugs out of it, and then hit the track. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll have more to come.